Hello everyone, this is how you make a marble run inside of Algodoo. Yeah, that's correct. I'll start with the base where they will roll. No, guys. Good. There's no problem actually, guys. So now, time to bend it like this. I'm just gonna make my marbles first. So, turn the grid. I have to be exactly the size of this. No, that's too big. I'll say like head of this. Yeah. Go in appearance, right click, go in appearance, turn off draw circle cake. You can make it a new colour. I'll make it red. You have to make it red though. The second one will be orange, of course. The third one will be yellow. So that's the second colour. Oh man, let's do the gradients and the rainbow. Yellow to green, green to blue. No, I didn't say I wanted that to be grey to green. But, I'm pressing that. I'm actually pressing Kel and drag to duplicate it. Now and then with green, pin for blue, and now I'm done for blue. Time for purple. The purple. No, it's violet. After violet, it's ultra pink. Now I'm done with all my colours. I'll stack them on the bottom as so. And give it equal amounts. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. They're not equal. They don't really matter. Actually, it's equal, which is good. So I want to stack it like this. No. Now it's actually done to make a marble run. That actually has to look cool. And that's the reason you're even watching this video. Well, you actually don't. It doesn't matter if it's cool or not. Actually. Now, to I want to shrink them now. Zoom in to shrink them. Yep, you have to zoom in. Very tricky. Move. Down. Just a bit more bigger. I know, I have to do with every one. That's an oval. No. I can actually just keep it at that size, actually. Now, we got this. Time to glue it to the background. But before gluing parent through the snow borders. And glue to the background. Yeah. Glue it to the background. You would like to do. Now, To make it match, you have to zoom in a lot, and then perfectly on a circle so it's smooth. Yeah. Now turn off grid mode. It makes it too hard. So I can make a perfect slant. To be kind of a light green. I'd say like a blue. Yeah, I tend to remove circle cake. We do it like that. You see that will just happen. Well, we'll glue everything later. Now, I'll add this platform. Now, I'll add, and make sure you go in material, right click, go material and press it's invincible. Because now we're gonna add some. I also make sure to make the resolution a lot. I mean by the maximum, but it's just 200. Add little puddles of lava. And need some time to bounce. Right here. So you know it's lava, I'll make it kind of dark. No, I don't like dark red. I actually like the dark red. And choose disappearer. Or should I say? So it makes it if it disappear. Nope. I know they're actually really big, so they need a big jump. And when they're doing their big jumps and stuff, to go to the next stage, they're meant to bounce on these pads, which have lots of resolution. They have 100, in fact. I just need to copy and paste them, and just guess where they're gonna go. And then you want this to be long, guys. So then other than doing that, only bounce. I want to bounce on this, and then they'll go in this, and then slant it, because then they will. So they'll have to bounce. I have to put this a bit more down. Yeah. They'll like to bounce, and then bounce. Hopefully, bounce into here. But how are they meant to bounce inside? Well, by doing this, we'll just make a C shape. We'll let me not cut it. We'll right click and press then combine shape and press subtract. Delete it. You see a hole. And when it goes inside, they win. Yeah, but I don't want to win right now. You still want some more progress. Thank you if you made it this far. And if you want to skip that, please watch it. But please still watch it. And also make sure to subscribe. Yeah. Time to press subtract. Yeah, I want to check something. Can I subtract the floor? That'd be cool. If I could. Nope, you can't. Now when they jump in there, they'll go. You actually reverse this. They actually do win. Now, and instead start, everything is just moving and flying because we haven't glued it yet. So first, zoom out in a very large view, and then select everything, and then glue it together. Almost glue together. Glue to background. Yeah. And start. Oh yeah, I made everything glued together. Now the marbles are glued together. Let's easily fix that by loosening them and loosening them again. I think purple will win. Yeah, I think purple will win. I didn't think this would go as I planned. There's items. High jump. You know, there'll be that. Items. And they lose all that speed. Whoa, why jumping to that high? No, they hit the floor. Why are they just jumping backwards now? Maybe it's trying to get a boost back. Oh, I want to get a boost back. Because this guy is looking away. Put him all the way right here. I think it has to be 400. So I've got to change this resolution. And that'll be 400 again. We placed those out all the marbles. I'll put them here. It jumped too high. I'll just count that T1. So we actually move it a bit there. And now I'm done. So thanks for watching. So there actually wasn't any part 2, which is actually good. Well, you can make it longer if you want to. Well, I think I actually want to make make another of this video. So I have to save this. And I need to save this. Yes, yeah. I need to save it. And I need to save this. So I press the save button. I'll say, what should I call it? Marble Run Tour 1. So saved. Now we're done. Bye, and see you in the second part. So bye, and thanks for watching. And don't forget to. I'm not gonna say it in this language. It's much easier. Like and sub. Like unsub. Like and sub. Great explosion. Now, see you in part 2. Bye. Thanks for watching. Bye.